How to prevent cats from leaving smells and the reasons behind it. Hi cat lovers! Welcome back to Cats Knowhow. Today, we're diving into a topic every cat parent has wondered about. Why do cats sometimes leave behind strong smells? And more importantly, how can you prevent it? Let's uncover the mysteries behind those feline odors. Stick around because you might learn a tip or two that could save your nose. Why do cats leave smells? First, let's talk about the reasons. Understanding the cause is the key to solving the problem. Reason 1. Territorial marking cats are territorial by nature. They use their scent to claim their space. Sometimes this is done by spraying urine. Both male and female cats can do this, but it's more common in unneutered males. Reason 2. Litter box issues. A dirty or poorly maintained litter box can lead to trouble. If the box isn't clean enough, your cat might avoid it. Instead, they may choose other spots in your home. This can leave unpleasant odors behind. Reason 3. Diet. What your cat eats plays a big role in how they smell. Some foods can lead to strong-smelling urine or feces. Low-quality diets with fillers or artificial additives can make the problem worse. Reason 4. Health problems. Odors can sometimes be a sign of health issues. For example, urinary tract infections or dental problems can cause bad smells. If your cat has an unusual odor that won't go away, it's time to visit the vet. How to prevent cats from leaving smells. Now that we know the reasons, let's explore the solutions. These tips will help keep your home fresh and your cat happy. Tip 1. Keep the litter box clean. A clean litter box is crucial. Scoop it at least once a day. Replace the litter completely once a week. Make sure the box is in a quiet, comfortable spot for your cat. If you have more than one cat, provide one box per cat, plus an extra. Tip 2. Neuter or spay your cat. This can drastically reduce territorial spraying. Neutered and spayed cats are less likely to mark their territory. Plus, it's good for their overall health and behavior. Tip 3. Choose the right diet. Feed your cat high-quality food. Look for brands with real meat and no fillers. A healthy diet not only reduces odors, but also keeps your cat in great shape. Tip 4. Provide regular grooming. Cats are naturally clean animals, but some need extra help. Brush your cat regularly to remove dirt and loose fur. For long-haired breeds, check for mats or debris that might cause smells. Bathing isn't usually necessary unless your cat gets into something messy. Tip 5. Address health issues promptly. If you notice persistent odors, consult your vet. Conditions like infections or digestive issues might be the cause. Early treatment can prevent bigger problems down the road. Tip 6. Use cat-friendly cleaning products. If your cat has had accidents, clean them up properly. Use enzymatic cleaners to remove the scent completely. This stops your cat from returning to the same spot. Understanding your cat's behavior. Sometimes, odors are linked to stress or anxiety. Big changes, like moving or new pets, can affect your cat. This might lead to marking or other smell-related behaviors. To help, create a safe and calm environment. Provide hiding spots, toys, and regular playtime. A happy cat is less likely to leave behind unwanted smells. Bonus tips for a fresh-smelling home. Let's not forget your home. Here are a few extra tricks to keep your space smelling great. Air circulation. Open windows to let in fresh air whenever possible. Good ventilation helps remove lingering odors. Use odor neutralizers. Place cat-safe air purifiers or deodorizers near the litter box. These can help control smells without overwhelming your cat's sensitive nose. Regular cleaning. Vacuum and mop frequently, especially in areas your cat loves. This removes fur, dander, and any hidden messes. Wash cat bedding. Don't forget to wash your cat's bed and blankets regularly. These can trap odors if left uncleaned. Closing thoughts. Cats are wonderful companions. With a little care and attention, it's easy to keep your home smelling fresh. Always remember, the key is understanding your cat's needs. If you have more tips to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thank you for spending time with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cats Knowhow for more cat care tips. Until next time, give your furry friend an extra cuddle from us.